In 2025, YouTube remains a powerhouse for creators, with over 2.7 billion monthly users and billions in ad revenue fueling opportunities for new channels. Launching a YouTube channel from scratch and making it profitable in just 30 days is ambitious but achievable with artificial intelligence tools. AI streamlines content creation, editing, and optimization, enabling beginners to produce professional videos and grow rapidly. This video outlines a 30-day plan to build a profitable AI-driven YouTube channel, leveraging free tools like InVideo, Synthesia, 𝐬𝐻𝐻𝐿, Canva, and TubeBuddy. Why AI for a YouTube channel? AI revolutionizes YouTube content creation by automating time-consuming tasks like scripting, video editing, and SEO, cutting production time by up to 60%. Tools like InVideo generate videos from text prompts. Synthesia provides lifelike voiceovers, and 𝐬𝐻𝐻𝐿 creates viral shorts, all without requiring you to appear on camera. This is ideal for faceless channels in niches like tech reviews, life hacks, or motivational content, which attract wide audiences. YouTube's algorithm favors frequent uploads and high engagement, and AI enables daily posting and optimization to accelerate growth. The potential is clear. Creators using AI-driven workflows report hitting 10,000 subscribers in weeks, driven by shorts and consistent content. Combining AI automation with strategic planning builds a scalable, profitable channel. Day 1 to 5, set up and choose your niche. The first 5 days, establish your channel's foundation. Create a YouTube account at youtube.com and customize it with a name and banner. Visit canva.com, sign up for free, and use the AI Magic Media tool to generate a banner with a prompt like Modern Tech YouTube Banner. Download as PNG and upload to YouTube. Select a niche with high demand and low competition, such as productivity hacks, AI tutorials, or motivational quotes, which suit faceless content. Research competitors using TubeBuddy's free browser extension. Install TubeBuddy, link it to your channel, and use Keyword Explorer to find trending terms like AI Tools 2025. Plan 30 videos, 10 full-length, and 20 shorts. This mix leverages YouTube's algorithm, with shorts boosting discovery and long videos building watch time. Spend 2 to 3 hours daily researching and planning, ensuring your niche aligns, with advertiser-friendly topics to maximize future earnings. Day 6 to 10. Create your first faceless videos with InVideo. InVideo's AI video generator is perfect for producing faceless content quickly. Its free plan includes a 10 million plus royalty-free media library, ideal for beginners. Go to InVideo.io, sign up, and select AI Video Generator. Enter a prompt like 5 AI tools for productivity in 2025 for a full-length video. Choose an explainer template and let InVideo generate a script, stock footage, and music in 1 to 2 minutes. Edit the script to add your insights. Select an AI voiceover and export as a 16:9 MP4. Create 2 videos over these 5 days, spending 1 to 2 hours per video. Upload to YouTube with titles like Top 5 AI Tools You Need in 2025. Add hashtags and a 150-word description with keywords. Use Canva to create thumbnails. Enter Tech Thumbnail with bold text in Magic Media. Add Top 5 in a high-contrast font and export as 1280 by 720 px PNG. Post one video on day 8 and another on day 10, scheduling via YouTube Studio for 7 p.m. weekdays to maximize views. These videos build watch hours, essential for monetization. Day 11 to 15. Boost growth with YouTube Shorts via 𝐬𝐻𝐻𝐿. YouTube Shorts, with 70 billion daily views, are key to rapid subscriber growth. 𝐬𝐻𝐻𝐿 automates short creation by repurposing long videos into viral clips. Visit 𝐬𝐻𝐻𝐿.ai, sign up for free, and upload your day 8 video or a new 5-minute clip. Click Generate Shorts to create 15 to 60-second clips in 1 to 2 minutes. Add colorful captions with 98% accuracy and B-roll for polish, then export as 9:16 MP4. Create and post 5 shorts over these days, 1 daily, spending 30 minutes per short. Use TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer to add tags like AI hacks and hashtags in descriptions. Create Canva thumbnails for each short, using vibrant AI-generated backgrounds and bold text like AI. Trick! Post at 6 p.m. daily to reach mobile users. Shorts can drive 10,000 to 50,000 views each, attracting 200 to 500 subscribers by day 15 as their algorithmic push targets new audiences. Day 16 to 20. Add professional voiceovers with Synthesia. 𝐸's AI voiceovers and avatars elevate faceless videos, adding professionalism without on-camera work. Go to 𝐸 sign up for the free tier and select Create Video. Input a script for a video like 10 productivity hacks for 2025. Choose a voice from 400 plus options and skip the avatar for voice only. Generate the voiceover in 2 to 3 minutes, then pair it with stock footage from Pexels or InVideo's library using CapCut. Create 2 full-length videos, spending 2 hours per video. Export as 1080p MP4, create Canva thumbnails, and upload on days 18 and 20 with TubeBuddy optimized titles and tags. 𝐸's realistic voices boost retention, helping videos rank higher. By day 20, expect 400 to 600 subscribers and 1,000 watch hours, driven by consistent posting and shorts traction. Day 21 to 25, optimize and scale. Content production. Scale production to hit monetization goals. Use InVideo to create 3 full-length videos and 𝐸𝐿 for 10 shorts. Spend 6 to 8 hours daily, 2 hours per full video, 30 minutes per short. For each video, generate content in InVideo, add 𝐸 voiceovers, and edit in CapCut for transitions. Optimize with TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer, targeting phrases like AI for beginners. Create Canva thumbnails with AI-generated visuals and bold text. Post 1 full video every other day and 2 shorts daily, scheduling for 6 to 7 p.m. Add affiliate links in descriptions to earn $50 to $200 early revenue. By day 25, aim for 800 subscribers and 2,500 watch hours, with shorts driving 50,000 to 100,000 total views. Day 26 to 30, monetize and refine strategy. Push for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the final days. Create 2 full-length videos and 5 shorts, posting 1 video on days 28 and 30 and 1 short daily. Optimize with TubeBuddy, using A/B testing for titles. Create Canva thumbnails and add captions via 𝐸𝐿 for accessibility. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program on day 28 via YouTube Studio. Use YouTube Analytics to identify top-performing shorts and replicate their format. By day 30, expect 1,000 to 1,200 subscribers and 4,000 to 5,000 watch hours, qualifying for ads. Affiliate links and sponsorships can add $200 to $500 monthly. Which tool is most impactful? 𝐸𝐿 is the most impactful, as its shorts creation drives rapid subscriber growth via YouTube's algorithm. InVideo is a close second for versatile faceless video production, while 𝐸𝐿 adds professional polish. Canva's thumbnails increase click-through rates, and TubeBuddy ensures discoverability. Combining all 5 maximizes impact. Shorts for reach, full videos for watch time, and optimization for rankings. Creators report hitting 5,000 subscribers in 30 days with shorts-heavy strategies, highlighting their effectiveness. Conclusion: building a profitable YouTube channel in 30 days is within reach with AI tools. Focus on a niche, post daily shorts and weekly videos, and optimize with SEO and thumbnails. 𝐸𝐿 shorts fuel subscriber growth, while InVideo and 𝐸𝐿 ensure quality. Hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to unlock monetization, earning $500 to $2,000 monthly. Visit InVideo.io or 𝐸𝐿.ai today. Create your first video and transform from zero to hero in 30 days. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.